Prime, and it's on how you guys can log in into Amazon Prime. So it's pretty simple to log in into Amazon Prime. I'm going to be showing you some steps. You guys need to follow those steps to log in into Amazon Prime. But before I show you the steps, I want to make you guys sure. If you guys are confused what Amazon Prime is, then basically Amazon Prime is like a Netflix, Basically, it's like an online, TV and movie streaming platform of Amazon where you guys can watch series and other stuff, alright? So you need to pay on monthly basis for it. So that's the basic gist of it. So how you guys can log in is follow the steps. The first step is you want to go to your browser and you want to search for Amazon Prime. Just like this. After you search for Amazon Prime, you want to click on where it says Amazon Prime Video. Start your free trial, which is the first link. After you click on it, you want to click on where it says sign in at the top right corner. Once you click on sign in, basically it's going to take you to the sign in page of Amazon. Once you're over here, you need to enter the email or mobile number, whichever thing you used when you created your Amazon Prime account, and enter your password. After doing that, you want to click on sign in, and you should be able to sign in into your Amazon Prime account. In another word, log in into your Amazon account. Alright, so that's how basically you guys can log in into Amazon Prime. After logging in, you can watch videos. Let's say for some reason you guys were not able to log in, then basically your email or your password is mistake. Alright, so make sure to double check if they are correct and click on sign in, and you guys are guaranteed to log in into your Amazon Prime account. And for some reason, if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on forgot your password to recover your account as well. This is also an option.